बाणावले लवर्स बिचार जाल्ल्या खुनाच्या केसीचो तपास कोलवा पोलिसांनी 48 वरां भितर तडीक लायलो। कोलवेच्या बाप्तीस डिकॉस्टाचो खून केलो म्हूण मूळ पुण्याचो आनी सध्या कोलवा रावपी ड्रायव्हर अमान कवितिया ह्या तरणाट्याक पोलिसांनी धरला। ताचे कडल्यान बाप्तिस्ताचे पयशे आनी भांगर जप्त केला। खून जाल्लो त्या दिसा सावनूच पुलीस खंय ताचेर नजर दवरून आशिल्ले।
20 जानेराचे राती बाणावले लवर्स बिचार बाप्तिस्ट डिकॉस्टाचो खून जाल्लो। सकाळी ताची बिचार बॉडी दिसली। खुनी हाताक लागलो म्हूण कळटनाच कोलवेच्या लोकांनी पुलीस स्टेशनार गर्दी केली। खुन्याक फुडें हाडात म्हूण बोवाळ सुरू केलो। प्रकरण तापता ते पळोवन पुलिसांनी अमान कवितियाक लोकां मुखार हाडलो। उपरांत जीपींत घालून दुसरे कडेन घेवन गेले।
We record all the items which has been taken by the accused. The mobile phone of the accused we have record. The cash which accused was having, that also record. The gold ornament which accused was having, that also record. Also further we also record the bike of the accused person which he used to dispose the materials. Today morning at around 11:30 HRS we came to the conclusion that he is the man, and we arrested him, we interrogated, and he confessed of the crime. We recovered gold from the accused under section 27 of I Act, that is chain of the deceased, finger rings, bracelets. Weapon is a knife is there. We have recovered the knife. The motive still is not clear. We have to interrogate more to the accused persons to get the perfect motive.
अमान खंय बाप्तिस्टाक पयलीं सावन वळखतालो। प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस।
मडगांव हॉस्पिशियोक 150 वर्सां जालीं। फादर आंतोनियो जुआंव दे मिरांडान खंय हें हॉस्पिटल सुरू केल्लें। आर्च बिशप फिलिप नेरी फेर्रांव, TCP मंत्री विजय सरदेसाय सुवाळ्याक आशिल्ले। उपकार मानूंक मीस जालें। नवे जिल्लो हॉस्पिटलांत शिफ्ट जाले तरी हॉस्पिशियो सांबाळून दवरतले म्हूण विजय उलयला। भलायकी मंत्री मात कार्यावळीक दिसलो ना।
Our first thought goes to Father Antonio João de Miranda, who 50 years ago planted this small seed that has grown. But he was a great visionary who, in those days when there were hardly any healthcare facilities, taught of the sick, of the poor, of the needy, and faced all challenges. We celebrate 150 years of this journey of dedication. My appreciation to all those who have been part of this journey. And we are so happy that this dream is alive. It is growing from excellence to excellence, that new premises where there will be new infrastructural facilities.
Of the government to retain this place, especially the chapel. And whatever needs to be done in this, we will certainly do. I do hope that the transition into the new premises is also smooth, and at the same time new challenges that are coming up will be taken by health department. Now the health department has become Goinkar free, rest everyone chargeable. It is not bad, but the Goinkars need to get good service.
मडगांव आनी वास्कोच्या वजन माप खात्याच्या टिमींनी सांकवाळे गॅस एजन्सीचे गुदांवाचेर धाडी घालून 8 सिलिंडर जप्त केले। 8 सिलिंडरांचे वजन थारायल्ल्या वजना परस सरासरी 2 किलो 400 ग्राम उणे। एका कमर्शियल कन्झ्युमरा कडच्यान आयिल्ले कंप्लेनी वेल्यान वजन माप खात्यान ह्यो धाडी घाल्यो।
We have legal metrology Vasco office has received a complaint from a commercial consumer from Vasco regarding short delivery of LPG cylinder, that is commercial cylinder of 19 kg. Based on his complaint, I have done the inspection of all the 5 cylinders, but which were found like 2.400 gram, 2 kg 400 gram less, which is not acceptable. Maximum permissible tolerance is 190 gram. Whereas we have found 2 kg 400 gram short of all 5 cylinders. Based on that, yesterday this was inspection conducted, and based on that today we have raided the Godam of Sakwal Gas Agency who has supplied to that commercial consumer. So today we had a joint raid. He is Mr. Vikas Kandolkar from Margaon office, myself Liladhar from Vasco office, his inspector from Margaon, plus assistant controller Arun Panchavadkar was there. So joint raid was conducted under direction of Kiran Kosambe, controller, who sits at the Parvari. So based on that, today we have sealed 3 cylinder additional. Total 8 cylinder has been sealed from Sankwal gas agency for the short delivery. On an average 2 kg 400 gram shortage cylinder is there.
give a commercial break.